This video will walk you through the biggest update yet to ConcreteSection version 4 and show you how the new capabilities can make your workflow faster and more precise. Let's get started. Analysis Engine Overhaul. In ConcreteSection 4, the analysis engine has been completely rebuilt. The old method for calculating stress results and generating interaction surfaces has been replaced with a mechanics-based approach grounded in the fundamental principles of strain compatibility, material constitutive models, and equilibrium. This new approach is both more powerful and more flexible. In previous versions, only the reinforcing steel was meshed. Now, the entire cross-section, including both concrete and steel, is meshed, and numerical integration is performed across the whole section. Users also have full control over mesh refinement, allowing for more accurate results when slightly longer analysis times are acceptable. Interaction surface and diagram improvements. With ConcreteSection 4, you get more precision and flexibility when creating interaction surfaces and diagrams. Now you can choose your failure strain and pick between epsilon naught, that's the strain at peak compressive stress, or epsilon u, the ultimate strain. In previous versions, the program always used epsilon naught. Now, in ConcreteSection 4, if you pick epsilon u, you get a less conservative and potentially more accurate interaction surface. Diagram generation is now significantly more accurate for asymmetric cross-sections, and calculations for pure tension, pure compression, and pure bending have also been refined for greater precision. Users can now define expanded ranges for both interaction points and quadrant slices. The limits have been increased from 1,000 to 2,000 for each. This allows for more refined solutions when needed, especially for complex or asymmetric sections. Additionally, the software now uses diagram points more efficiently, delivering improved accuracy with reduced computational cost. In the MX, MY, and flexure diagrams, users can now specify an offset that defines how far the interaction diagram plane is shifted from the origin. This makes it easy to view specific slices through the interaction surface, which is especially useful when visualizing capacity at a particular point in the section. The stress results upgrade. The stress results in ConcreteSection 4 are more robust, accurate, and insightful than ever. An enhanced nonlinear solver improves convergence reliability even for complex cross-sections, and the advanced solver settings are now exposed, giving you more control over precision. New convergence error values quantifies the difference between the applied forces and moments and the calculated internal forces and moments, increasing confidence in the results. The program now reports the curvature of the section under applied loads, along with the tangent stiffness, that's the rate of change of moment with respect to curvature, so you can better understand and characterize nonlinear behavior. The software also displays all concrete strains, including those in tension. Steel stresses, strains, and forces now follow the same sign convention as concrete, where compression is positive. This makes interpretation of the results more intuitive. New Section Properties tab. A new Section Properties tab has been added to the program. This tab displays key points for the interaction diagram, including pure tension and compression capacities, pure bending points, and the balance points. Also shown is the initial stiffness of the concrete section. These moments of inertia are calculated at low load levels before the steel has yielded and while the concrete behaves nearly linearly. The concrete stiffness in these calculations, E initial, is based on the secant stiffness at low strains. Finally, the table reports the uncracked transformed properties. In ConcreteSection 4, these now use the initial stiffness of the concrete constitutive model, E initial, for improved accuracy. For convenience, the Section Properties tab is available in both the stress results and interaction diagram views. Because these properties are constant and load independent, they are now accessible even when no loads are applied and the Stress Results tab is inactive. Design improvements. ConcreteSection 4 now supports the Eurocode 2 design specification, which reduces the size of the interaction surface by applying partial safety factors and limiting the maximum axial compressive capacity. A European rewired shape database has been added, along with a variety of European material definitions for reinforcement. Also, moment unity checks have been decoupled from the stress result convergence. This means that unity values are now reported even when the stress results do not converge. Advanced reporting options. Several new tables have been added to the report based on user requests. These include the interaction surface table, the MX-MY diagram table, and both the PMX and PMY diagram tables. These tables are especially useful for exporting data to create custom plots in external tools like Microsoft Excel, giving you more flexibility in how you visualize and present results. Additionally, an initial stiffness table has been added to the report showing the section's moments of inertia at low levels, providing valuable insights into the early stage behavior of the cross-section. Also, the cracked section results table now reports the curvature and tangent stiffness for the various result cases. This makes it easy to generate the data needed to create moment curvature and moment stiffness diagrams as shown in the new moment curvature example project. That wraps up our look at the biggest update yet for ConcreteSection. We hope the new capabilities in version 4 makes your workflow faster, more precise, and more productive. For additional guidance, be sure to check out the updated help file and our other training videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.